Hello everyone, today we are going to make Charlie Chaplin. So material required is 3 mm black skin and white quilling strips, 5 mm black and white quilling strips, white and black acrylic paint and A4 sheet. So firstly we have joined 6 strips together and made this tight coil. Now using dome we are going to give it some shape and we are going to join this together. Now to maintain the shape we are going to apply Fevicol inside it and let it dry. Stick these two together like this. Now 12 strips of 5 mm. Join this together. Make the dome for the body like this. Again apply glue to maintain its shape. Now join 3 strips together. Make a tight coil first. And make a tapered roll. Now curve it a little bit. These are the arms of the Charlie Chaplin. Now take 3 strips of 3 mm skin color. Make a tight coil first. Secure the end with glue. Make a tight coil and pinch it from one side and make a dome. So these are its hands. Now 3 strips of 5 mm each. Make a tight coil and again make a tapered roll. These are the legs. Similarly make one more. Now we are going to make a tight coil first. You can use strips of any color because in the end we are going to paint it only. So this is the boot. Now we are going to attach this together. The legs of the Charlie Chaplin is also ready. Let it dry. Now we have joined 4 strips of white color and we're going to make a ring like this. Secure the end with glue. This will work as the neck. Now I have taken this piece of paper. We are going to attach this at the bottom of the body like this and stick the legs together now like this. Now we're going to attach this ring on the body. This will work as the neck and also attach the head also. And now we are going to join the legs also like this. Now we are going to join arms together like this and the other arm like this. We are going to paint it with black paint and take a strip, roll it and then attach 4 strips of coil and make this ring coil. Attach these both together. This will work as the hat. Now to make the ears, we have taken half strip of skin color, 3 mm. Make a teardrop shape and then curve it. Our ears are also ready. We are going to attach these also like this. Both the ears are done. Like this we are going to attach it. Now we are going to stick the hat. This is also done. Now we are going to make some facial features of the Charlie Chaplin using black pen only. And like this we have made the nose. Take a piece of paper to make the mustache. And then here I have taken a stick. Attach it on its hand. Like this. And our cute Charlie Chaplin is ready. So this one is done. Let's move ahead on our second quilling, father and son. Now to make this one, firstly we have made a dome shape using 6 strips of skin color, attach glue and 6 strips tight coil of 3 mm. We are going to cover it to make the hair like this. Like this we are going to make the hair, and you can use strips of any color because in the end we are going to paint it only. So like this we have made the face. Similarly, join 10 strips of 5 mm white color, secure the end and make a dome shape only. And we are going to make the body like this. Take 1 strip tight coil of 5 mm, attach it and then attach the head. Take 3 strips tight coil, make a cone shape. Like this we have made the legs. 2 strips tight coil and make a dome only. Tapered roll like this. Join it with the leg. Attach 1 strip and 2 strip tight coil of 3 mm, make a teardrop. This will work as the leg. Now we are going to paint it. I am using Persian blue to paint the legs. Then for arm, 1 strip tight coil 5 mm white color. We are going to make a dome first, then make a teardrop, tapered roll and another tapered roll like this. Join these all together. So then take a piece of paper, cut a circle out of it and attach the body with it. Join the legs also. And join the arms also. Paint the legs with skin color, face also, arms also, hands like this. Now we have also made the ears of a teardrop shape only, and let this dry. Like this. We are going to paint the face with skin color. Paint the head with black color. Now similarly we have made the face of the boy also. Make a dome shape first. We are going to use all the steps that we have used to make the father, like this. So we have made the boy. We are going to attach the legs first and then the face and the body, like this. The strips that we have used to make the father, we have taken the half of it to make the boy, like this. Join the arms, hands, ears, paint it with skin paint. Now we have made this tight coil. We are going to stick the father and son on it. This is ready. We have also made some facial features using pen. So hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Take care. Goodbye.